Hi everyone, and if you want to know how to install Messenger Lite on Android, you've come to the right place. And to do it is quite easily. So go to your Play Store or App Store and find the Messenger and just simply download Messenger. So unfortunately there is no Messenger Lite since September 2023, but the main features from Messenger Lite is moved to Messenger, and now it is the one application. And the best benefits from Messenger Lite was adaptation for low-end phones and the phones with bad internet connections, and these features now is implemented to this version of Messenger, so you can just use this Messenger freely without any hesitations and problems. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.